Word to the Dalai Lama, he know I'm a fashion killer. Word to John Galliano, he cupping that Valentino. Ain't no telling me no, I'm the one that he know. I got wife in me, don't ever play with me. Y'all know y'all know I'm the queen. Somebody about to get poked up, go call a tow truck. All that talking out your neck might just get your dough.
Hey guys, it's your girl Queen Cierra, and I'm back at it again with another freaking video. So in today's video, it's going to be a makeup tutorial, and it is a all black owned makeup tutorial. So everything I use is black owned, and everything I use is mainly from the drugstore. The only thing I not from the drugstore are my lashes. These are Renew Lash Style. I don't have a name for them. They're coming soon. These are 25 millimeters. Period. And my lip gloss, this is Strawberry Milkshake by Queen Cierra Boutique. So if you want to shop my lashes and my lip gloss, it'll be the top link in the description box below, so you can shop www.queencierraboutique.com to get you some bomb cosmetics and accessories. And yeah, so everything is black owned, and everything is basically from Ulta, or you can get at the drugstore. So everything will be listed and linked in the description box below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram on my personal and business page. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at queencierra_slay. Don't forget to follow my business page at Queen Cierra Boutique. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and support a black owned business owner. And if you're just in the market for new makeup, all these products are bomb and I love them, especially this contour palette. You know, I use that in every single makeup tutorial. Like, I love it. Like, I love it. Okay, I be hitting pan. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and comment for more. And do you like my hair? I got my hair done. I'm so excited. So yeah, and that's it. I just can't stop touching my hair, and that's it. Oh, and another thing, if you want some bomb press on nails, these are custom press on nails. Support a black nail tech. Her Instagram will be on the screen and listed down below. And yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to continue watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. So now I am going into Kenya. That's the first color I pointed to. That's that taupe, like kind of grayish, greenish color. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it into my crease, and I'm just going to buff it all over. Then I am going to go in with Kenya, and that's that nice chocolate dark color, and I'm going to buff it out in my crease, but I mainly focus it in my outer V of my eye to create depth and smoke it out so we can have that nice cat eye effect. That's why I do the outer V, so we can create that nice cat eye effect and pull our eyes back so we can be like snatched. Now I am taking Yaya and I'm applying that to my lid, and then I am going to take a mixture of Kenya and Madagascar, and I'm going to apply that to the outer portion of Yaya to blend both of the colors together so we don't have any harsh lines. Okay, so you know I love me some Fenty Beauty, so I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer, and then I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation, and I am in the shade 440. And I'm going in with the matching concealer 440. And I love Fenty Beauty complexion products. Like, every time I use them, my base turns out impeccable. Impeccable. Now, I usually use 2 different powders for setting my face, but I didn't really have a face powder that is black owned, so I use my under eye powder to set my face. I'm using Fenty Beauty Honey, and I'm using my Morphe sponge to set underneath my eyes, and then I take a nice big old fluffy brush and set my face with honey as well. Okay, so I know I use this in every video, but I love it. So I'm going in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm taking that Sculpt color right there, and I'm going to bronze my face, make me look like a nice bronze goddess. Then I'm going to go into that same palette and get the highlighter, and I'm going to highlight my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, above my eyebrow, and the high points of my cheekbones. And ooh, look at this base come together. It is so flawless. Period. So now I'm going in with the lips, and I'm going in with my baby, my brand, queencierraboutique Strawberry Milkshake and Icy. I know everybody has been waiting for Icy, and I'm telling you, Icy is coming back. I promise. She's coming back. It's gonna be Icy 2.0.
Bust down on my wrist and it big. My pinky ring bigger than his. Better out in Beverly Hills. Dollar got you.